Okay, just a little quick before video. You see these chassis legs here are getting terrible. So we thought while in Rome, while the engine's out, this front member, look, oh, we can get that looking a lot nicer, can't we? Again, it's not a total restoration. I'm contemplating really how much to strip down. I think I just want the engine bay to look nice and to make sure that there's no rust holes anywhere. We are very happy with the rust. It's just surface. We can't see anything that's gone. So we're just going to rub down back up to the firewall there. I'm not going to mess about too much with that. It's just more work, unnecessary. So yeah, the idea really is just to rub all this down, tidy it all up. At least we can say it's been checked and inspected, treated and repainted. This is the front panel. Now I did have a quick look online, and there is these stickers available for the 156s. I'm almost going to be certain they're going to be the same. I'll double make sure. It'd be nice to get the original stickers back on, or at least copies of the originals. I've taken the chassis plate off, so that can be put back on as and when. I'm going to send this off to be blasted and powder coated. I want a really nice finish. This takes the brunt of the work, doesn't it? So it'd be nice to get this done professionally. And then all of this, I'm thinking, we'll have a look. I'm thinking a high temperature. We'll see if we can get the same colour blue. We'll see. I'll do a bit of research into what that is. Whilst I was at this stage, I thought I'd pop that steering rack out as well. It always had to be done. And we'll see if there's a new seal kit or something. See if we can get that cleaned up and serviced whilst we're there. Right, onwards and upwards. At last we have some colour. Getting the engine bay tarted up. It's had a good rub down and any treatment needed. It was actually most of it okay. It's had 2 coats of primer, and it's just had a second coat of top. Very happy. Going to wait till tomorrow now and get a couple of clear lacquer coats on, and then I can address the engine that's been mocking me for so long. There's no point in getting the engine built up and ready until the engine bay's happy. So with a bit of luck, it's going to inspire me to get this job finished. Just for the update, paint nuts is what we're using. It's actually going on really well. But we'll see once the lacquer's on and it's all dried and hard. We'll see what the finish is like. Obviously it's all in the prep, but it does help having decent paint. I'll post some more updates when needed. So the second coat of lacquer's been applied and 24 hours has dried. So this is the finished result. You know what, I'm pretty happy. It's definitely worth putting the effort in. Like I was saying, a lot of this will probably be hidden anyway. But I know it's all been treated, and I know it's got a good couple of coats on here just to keep the weather off for a good few more years. It's a job well done. It's not obviously paint shop finished, but it's as good as I'm going to get it, and I'm happy, so that's the main thing. yeah, just going over the paints, nuts, lacquer. It comes with, it's two parts, so there's a hardener in there. So you pull the grenade pin and give it a good warm up and 2-minute shake. The hardener goes in with the lacquer, so it gives you a really, I presume you can drop spanners on it and it won't chip. I thought it was the way forward. We'll see how it lasts in time, but it was being applied really well. Heat in this can was night and day as well. I always knew that you didn't have to, you know, it couldn't be cold, but a few minutes near the space heater really made the spray different. To be fair, it was night and day. It's what it's all about. I know everyone says do it, but it made all the difference. So yeah, so far I'm going to recommend that. News in, the slam panel or front panel has come back. Obviously this was sent off to the professionals to be shot blasted and powder coated. I mean, this has come back like new. I could even, if this was new, I wouldn't know the difference. Really happy with this. This is going to look brilliant when it's bolted on the front. This is what everyone sees really when you open up the bonnet, and I suppose just the side mounts there. But so yeah, we're going to get on the hunt and on the internet to see what the sticker situation is, just to try and make it as factory as possible. Get all that bolted with some nice new bolts, and I would say that's the engine bay dealt with. Obviously we've got all the gubbins to go back on, all the wiring looms, wiper motors, scuttles. Start chucking the suspension on soon as well. But for the update, yeah, engine bay complete. Move on to the next job.